Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone, my name is Victor Pandian from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session, we are going to learn how to create a campaign for Google Business. So when we talk about Google Business, it's like Google Listing, where we'll be adding our business listing under Google platform. Now, when someone is coming to your Google and searching for your services, example, now let's look at an example. Let's open a new window and do new tab and look for best, or let's say, let's keep it simple, TV repairs shop near me. So when someone is looking for this, at the bottom, can you see this TV repair shop? So these are listings, guys. Okay, because it is taking my location. Right now, I am in a particular location in Bangalore. Can you see this 37 pin code? So my pin code has been tracked. Based on that, I'm getting the relevant results. The similar way, you people will be getting the relevant result based on your locations. Now, when someone is looking for TV shops near me, something like this, you'll be getting the local area business there. Okay. Now you can see TV repair doorstep service, best TV repairs, Sri Maruti Electronics LCD LED, and All Tech Service Limited. So these people have listed their business and optimized their headline accordingly so that when people are searching locally, their business profile will be shown to us. Now, we can decide looking at the rating whether to opt for them or not. So this person is having 4.7 rating out of 244, but this guy is having 4.8 rating, but only 20 people have rated it. And next one is 4.5 rating out of 4. So I would prefer this one rather than going this one. Now, when we talk about ads, you will be reaching, see, these are organic results. Organic, these people have listed local SEO, they are focused on local content, and they are over here. Now, when we talk about Google Ads, now when you're creating your campaign, when someone is looking for TV repairs near me, your advertisement will cross this, and your advertisement will be at the top. Okay, so you can focus on conversions. Good conversion will happen if you focus on Google My Business campaign. Now let us look at an example over here. Yes, this is the best example. Can you see here advertisement? Yeah, such campaign are being created, guys. Okay, can you see the advertisement AD on maps? So such advertisement you can see on maps, EAD. Okay, EAD. Again, AD. When people are looking for electronic store, your advertisement is at the top. This is not organic, this is a paid result. Okay, so Google My Business allows you to create and verify your local business on Google, guys. Okay, so your business information can be shown in Google Map with Google My Business. You can also add business information that can appear on the google.com, Google Map, and Google Earth. When someone searches for your business name or category, your advertisement will be shown to them. Now, you can show your business location in your ads by using location extension also. There is another opportunity for you. It's not like we can only focus on Google My Business advertisement. We have other option also. While we learned a Google Ads, Google search campaign, I showed you the importance of ad extensions. So in that ad extension, if your business is being listed under Google My Business, you just need to select that option. Along with your search campaign, your location campaign will also be on. When people are looking for something like this, best restaurants near me, best pubs near me, your advertisement will be shown to them. They can click on it, they can call you, either they can come to your business. Okay. So location extension display your business name, your address, your phone number with your ad to help customers connect with your local business. Businesses without a website can verify their business with Google My Business, because Google My Business will give you a short static website for you guys. Even if you don't have website, don't worry. I have created a video on this. Previous video will talk about how to create a Google My Business listing on Google. Okay, it's free for everyone. You just need to create your genuine email ID, which is workable, a genuine working phone number. Fill all the necessary information over there, like your business name, your phone number, your email ID, your address, your branches. You just need to talk about it and you need to add your photographs over there. Once people are looking for it, you'll be able to promote your services. People will be able to get you on Google search engine. Right? Now that's the short introduction about Google My Business. Now let's go ahead creating the campaign over this. So let's log into Google Ads. Okay, so let's create a new campaign for this. So for that, what you have to do, can you see new campaign here? Let's click upon this new campaign and let's give a goal to it. So here we have sales, leads, website traffic, and other option. You can pick either of them, selecting the location extension, that is also possible. Or I would, if you feel like I don't want to focus on any other thing, I want people to come to my business. I want more number of walk-ins to happen into my business or restaurant or any kind of business that you have. You need to select this option called local store visit and promotion. Can you see here it says drive visits to your local shop, including restaurants and dealership. Let's click upon this. So this is what we are focusing now. This is the only campaign type we have. Okay, drive store visit to your local business locations with ads showing across Google's network such as maps and search in an automated campaign designed for businesses with many locations. When people are looking for it, your advertisement will be shown. Make sense? Let's go ahead. Now, can you see here, use Google My Business location or use affiliate location? This is not active. So I would suggest to click upon this option, use Google My Business location. Then what you have to do, you just need to scroll down and click upon continue. If you don't have Google My Business, you need to create it. Then you only will be able to create this campaign. Now, once this is done, you just need to click upon continue. Then and you need to create a campaign name. So demo location campaign. Now, what language your customers speak? What do they understand? Because when you talk about local business, people will talk the regional languages over there. Okay, your local language. They can talk in Hindi, they can talk in Kannada, they can talk in any other local language pertaining to that country and state. You can pick whichever options you want. Then after that, how much you're ready to spend per day. So I know the conversion happens better on Google My Business. So I focus on 2000 rupees per day. I ready to spend for. Then bidding type, we have only one option, that is maximize conversion value. Okay. That is the only bidding strategy what we have. We'll be focusing on maximize conversion. Okay. This is automated, guys. You don't have to break your head. You don't have to set anything. So it is automated. It is maximize conversion value. Then after that, you need to scroll down. See, you can read it here. This is the only bid strategy available for local campaigns. You must have sufficient volume of conversion action that you select under campaign optimization for bid strategy to perform well. Okay, so don't worry about it. Then after that, you need to scroll down campaign optimization, which we have to do. Select conversion action to optimize their campaign. Now we are going to optimize the campaign. Now for each call, the value will be 1 rupee for default. Okay, you will be selecting the drive direction and or call clicks to optimize for those action in your campaign. This campaign is not currently eligible to optimize for shop visit, so you can opt for either clicks and you can opt for driving direction. So let's keep it both option active. Then after that, you just need to scroll down. You need to set the start date and end date. At when, what time, at when you're going to start your campaign and what is the last date you're going to end your campaign. Okay, see, what happened is most of the business people, once again, setting date less than. So we have an error here, setting end date less than 30 days. So okay, let me create the campaign for 2 months. Okay, then after that, what we have to do, we just need to scroll down and click upon save and continue. So we have successfully finished the stage 1. Now we are into stage 2. Select your ad group and add. Okay, now I have to give a ad group name over here, demo ad group 1. So I have given a demo ad group 1. Then after that, what we have to do, we just need to scroll down and give your final URL after clicking your ad where you want customer to come. Okay, so I'm just giving learndigital.co. Yeah, so this is the display path URL where this final URL is being taken. Then after that, you need something suffix, okay, that you have to give. So let's say I'm focusing on digital marketing, so I'll just write digital, or I'll write online marketing. Yeah, okay. Again, the character limitations is there. I'll just remove the space for learning purpose. Next one is SEO, SMM, social media marketing, website. Now I'll just remove the commas so that I can optimize it. Okay. So I've done it 15 out of 15, 15 out of 15. So you have to give the display path. So what is display path? So let me show you an example how display path work. Let me look for digital marketing training. So if someone is looking for digital marketing training, so can you see here IntelliPut after that digital course? Here you can see classroom online. Now this is display path because looking at this, it makes some sense, right? I need some extra information that I can grab via that display path URL. So after your final URL, you'll be able to see something else. So that we call it as display URL. This is not a landing page. Okay, you can observe if I click on this, you cannot see that classroom and online in your URL, but that has been added to provoke customer to take up a certain decisions. Okay, now that I'll be adding it over here, I've added online SEO, SMM website because looking at it, I feel my customer will obviously click on my advertisement. Now, what is the next thing that you have to do? You have to give your headlines. Best digital marketing training. Okay, so best digital marketing training. Okay, just give good number of headlines, add up to 5 headlines. So when Google itself is asking you to give up to 5 headlines and 5 description, please give it. Because see, your first headline might not be that impressive for a conversion, but your second one, third one is really good enough. Now it's not like Google will be showing all these 5 advertisement, all these 5 headlines at a time. Google will optimize and pick the best headline and best description, and it will try to give you the maximize conversion properly possible. Okay, so always I recommend to give as much information as possible for a better conversion. See, this we cannot be lazy, guys. We have to understand the importance of the keyword. See, my keyword here is digital marketing. When someone is looking for digital marketing training in the local area, my advertisement will be shown to him, and he gets converted easily on Google Maps, on on Google Earth. Okay, so conversion happens better. Ultimately, what is your focus? Conversion. Similar way, the next one you have to give the other options also. Learn. So I'm just taking a few examples over here. I'm not optimizing the headline. See, you have to focus on keywords. Whenever you're focusing on your headline and description, you need to talk about your important keyword. Digital marketing is a digital marketing is the important keyword. Similar way, you have to look for the keyword where you can optimize your campaign for. All right. Now let's give another headline. I'll give one more also for learning purpose. All right, so I have added here 5 headlines. Now, similar way, I'll be adding few more description also. Okay, so description, it should be like a marketing way. So if you look at the example here, they says 50 case studies, 100 tools. So these are the marketing terms. Courses in collaboration with the ASB, Jain Institute Management and Research case study. And so these are the information what you have. So for this, what you have to do, anyway, you had created your website. Now open your website and understand that and create accordingly. Because this you are going to give you as your final landing page URL. After looking at your advertisement, customers obviously come to this place, right? So my website is talking about India's only agency-based online classroom training institute with university placement certification. Now this is a marketing dialogue, so which I can use it. So let's go back to the campaign and I'll be using that. So I've added around 5 description which will talk about my business and I've used the marketing terms for the better conversions. Then after that, you just need to scroll down. You have to give a call to action. After looking at your advertisement, what you want customer to do? Call us now. Yeah, or book now. Now call to action text. No more. Free demo. See, can you see I can add up to 5 call to action extension. Call us now, no more, free demo, download and reaches, which makes sense. Then after that, we have to add up to 20 images. So at least one image, up to 20 images required. You can add one logo and up to 5 logos can be added. Similar way, you'll be adding your images and videos as well. You can upload up to 20 videos. So let's go ahead doing it. So let's click upon images. If you click upon the question mark, you will get to know the sizes 1200 into 1200 for square, 2292 into 1200 for landscape. Okay, and logo 1200 into 1200. So let me pick recently used. So I'll use this as logo for learning purpose, guys. So I'm trying to add few images. So you can either scan your website also. This is also a good option. What you have to do, just drop your website URL over here, learndigital.co. Your crawlers will get into your website and it will scroll your website from your social media, from your website and every single place possible. Okay, I'll just select this one. But the problem with the website is we would have added the images optimizing our website. But optimizing this campaign, you need to use a tool called Canva, guys. Okay. So in my previous video, I've taught you like how to add it. You can do that part, or you can add it from your system, downloading from your Canva. So I'm just adding few images for learning purpose. All right. So hope I have added good amount of images over here. Now next one is let me add up to good videos. So I have recently used, but let me look for my own channel wherein we have added good amount of video over here which I can utilize it. Yeah. So blogging dashboard we have. So I've added 5 videos also. So let me click upon save. And if you scroll up, you can check the preview. Let me click upon display. So can you see this? This is the video on display advertisement and this is the logo which I've picked. Let me scroll up. Let me check the search part. Yes, your customer can see your content like this on your search campaign. The next one, what we have is your YouTube. On your YouTube, in between ads, you can see your advertisement. Then let's scroll up. So whatever the video that you have become, this is how it will look. So in search campaign, yeah, this is how it will look in your search campaign. In your display campaign, whatever creative that you have picked, which includes your video and images, and the title what you have given. Make sense? Then after that, once you're checked with your preview, you just need to scroll down and you have to click upon save and continue. All right. So let's check the preview. Congratulations, your campaign is ready to get triggered. So I've set the start date and end date, location type, Google My Business, budget is 200 rupees. So campaign objective will be local store visits and promotion. Which strategy will be maximize conversion value? That was the only option that I had. Then I have around 5 headlines, 5 description, call to action, 10 images and 5 videos. Alright. Now once you are done with that, you have to make a payment and you can trigger your campaign on Google My Business where people can see it on multiple areas. Hope this session was really informative for you. Okay, so please try it yourself, not one campaign. I would always recommend to create several campaigns, trial and error method. And once you're serious about it, please make a payment of around 500 rupees at minimum per day. Check how your campaign is performing, guys. Because practically doing it will give you more insight than learning something theoretically. Okay, hope this session was really informative for you. See you all soon in the next session. Until that, thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay safe. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.